So, hi guys. So I'm here to talk about yesterday's match, which was absolutely amazing. I'm sure everybody in the world, in the nation, has watched the match and has loved the match to the next level. Um, the fielding from the bowling point of view, from the batting point of view, the partnership that was built between Smriti Mandana and Harmanpreet Kaur was amazing. Then few catches that were taken, certain missed catches were also there, but let's not talk about that. Um, um, the venue was superb. Edgbaston, Birmingham. And coming back to the catches, by Shrey. Shrey, you were amazing. The way you came in front and the way you caught the catch. Um, Smriti, I mean, Smrits, you were amazing when you took Fatima Sana's catch. The way you, I mean, celebrated, the way you had a smile on your face, the way that victory, the way you celebrated, ऐसा लग रहा था कि मतलब हमने मैच जीत ही लिया वो कैच के साथ. That was the catch of the match. I mean, that was amazing. The way you were batting, uh, you scored a half century with with a smile on your face. It was so amazing, and I think I could not be more happier to see my idol Smriti Mandana just, I mean, playing out there with full form. Harry D from Shrey to Gems, Jemima. I know Jemmy got out very early, but it's okay, Jemmy. That's I mean that's absolutely fine. That's not a problem. But the way you were, I mean, the way you were um at the deep mid wicket and the way you were catching those catches. Dipti, you were outstanding. 5 wickets. I mean, that was outstanding. मतलब ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. And people are guys. I mean, on what basis are you guys saying that Smriti doesn't perform well and Harmanpreet Kaur doesn't perform well? Guys, बोलने के लिए ना हम सब बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, but when it comes to being out in the sun, being out there, literally playing the match is a very difficult thing. हम बोलने के लिए तो दुनिया मतलब बोल सकेगी कि ये क्या खेल रहा है, ये क्या मतलब खेल रही है, but when you actually perform it, it's difficult. Why not? Why don't you go and play that rather than just saying? And Smriti, my Smrits, I mean, you were outstanding. I mean, Smriti is definitely my idol. I have been, she's an inspiration, um, for many of us, and I adore you. I look up to you, and yesterday's match was one of them. There are a lot of matches that I have been following, and I have been following you. I have been following your journey since the past 12 years from the jersey number 18. So it's great to, I mean, see you perform so well. And I am thankful to your coach, your training coach, Anant Tambekar sir, who has literally brought the best in you. So thank you so much, sir. This is the best platform for me to say a huge thank you to you for bringing out the best in her. And I truly appreciate you because हर कोई इस दुनिया में स्मृति नहीं बन सकता. I'm just a huge fan of you. So I already have it's like the more I will say, I will have tears in my eyes. My eyes are literally watery right now. The more I will speak, I will literally burst down into tears. So, thank you, BCCI, for, I mean, taking a gem in your team, in the sports team, in everything that you can. And even to RCB, but right now we are talking about yesterday's match. It was outstanding and good luck to the team. Um, Amol Majumdar sir, thank you. Thank you for training them so well. And thank you for always backing them up in whatever they are doing. So it's really great. And yesterday's match was outstanding. Smriti, this is a small thing that I've done. I'm sure. Um, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not. I have inked you down forever on my hand, in my heart. SM18, that's your jersey number. Smriti Mandana 18. So that's a little thing that I've done. I don't know. I mean, मुझे नहीं पता when I'll be able to see you or meet you in person, but it's just that I'm a huge fan of yours. So all the best, Team India. Women in blue get the ICC trophy. Um, Yesterday was an outstanding match. Outstanding. The way you guys played was superb, and I have no words to say. It was outstanding the way Shefali you bowled, the way Shrey, Bharti, and lot many people in the team. Right now, I'm lacking of words, but the way you guys bowled, the way you guys played, the way you guys batted was outstanding. So, thank you very much for playing and for always winning trophies for India. You guys are truly an inspiration, not just to me, but many other people in the world. So just go out there and do your best. Gems, I love you. Smriti, I love you. And I'm always here to support Team India. Always and forever. Harry D, we have the best captain and the best vice captain. So there is nothing more that I can say. I've already said everything that I can. So all the best, good luck, and do your best. And the trophy is ours. Absolutely. Fingers crossed. Manifesting. So yes. Bye Smriti. Bye Haridi. Bye Shrey. Bye Gems. Love you guys.